Under the actions, I'll select Schedule a Meeting. And here I'll click Connect Your Calendar. I'll select my calendar type here, then Connect. And finally, I'll accept HubSpot's data notice. I'll sign back into Google when prompted, and allow HubSpot access to my calendar. Now, back in HubSpot, the Schedule a Meeting action will now bring up your scheduling interface. From there, I can schedule like any other meeting. So I can enter a title and a time and click Save. Once saved, I can see the upcoming meeting on the Activities tab. And if you want to allow others to schedule meetings with you, you can create a meeting scheduling link within HubSpot. To do so, go to Sales on the left-hand side, then Meetings Scheduler. This is the interface that we want to create, so click Get Started. Then, if you click Get Me Started here, I found that this walkthrough is especially helpful because your link is created automatically and you can follow the prompts to edit it. The 10 easy steps walk you through how to customize the meeting, how to customize your availability, and how to set up reminders. In just a few minutes, you'll have a scheduling link that you can share with others that looks just like this. Remember the meeting that we scheduled with Mia? Your scheduling link automatically knows your calendar, and HubSpot won't offer time slots that would conflict with existing calendar appointments.